Want to upload your client's data in one go? Here's how. From your Faces website, find the left navigation bar and click on Clients. Click the three-dot icon and tap Download CSV Template. A template will be downloaded to your device shortly after. Open the template once it has been downloaded. In this file, you can see all the details you can put, from your client's first name and last name to their city, postcode, and gender. Fill in all the details while following the format provided. You can use the template you've downloaded from Faces or duplicate this template. Remember to review everything before saving it. To upload your client's data on Faces, just go to the Clients section, select the three-dot icon, and click Upload CSV. You can choose to either directly upload your file or let a member of our team upload it for you. If you're manually uploading it, just drag or choose the file straight from your device and press Done. Our system will upload your file and you'll automatically get an email notification once it's complete.